In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plug on your Toyota Corolla. It's located on top of the engine. As you can see on top, we have 4 ignition coils. We're going to work on one only, just to show you how to do it, and then you're going to do the same to the rest. Now I would do one at a time. It's the same process for each. Let's unplug it. I'm going to push it on this tab and pull the connector off. Set it aside, and now we're going to use an 8mm socket and remove this bolt. Let's remove it. Set that aside, and now we're going to pull up on the coil and remove it. Using a 14mm spark plug socket and an extension, we're going to go down in this hole. You get a feel for the spark plug, and now we're going to crack it loose and remove it. Remove your spark plug. Insert the spark plug into your socket. Mine's magnetic. Sometimes they're rubber on the inside. Whatever you have will work as long as it holds the spark plug. Then you're going to put it down in and thread it in. Make sure it's not cross-threaded. It should just thread right in without an issue. Once it's snug by hand, you're going to torque it. Now we're going to torque this to 15 foot-pounds. Remove your socket, and let's install our ignition coil. Make sure that your ignition coil has some dielectric grease, just a tiny bit on there. Now we're going to put it back in the hole. Make sure it engages with that spark plug. Now let's put our bolt in. Now we're going to torque this bolt to 60 inch-pounds. Let's plug it in. Make sure you hear that click. After you're done, make sure you take it for a road test. Make sure the car's running well, and make sure there's no engine light on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.